Um, um, sorry. Um, people on Facebook and on Tumblr what I should record about, and Ashley gave me these topics: cough drops, nail files, empty Coke cans, water bottle lids, and Nintendo DS's. And Jessica gave me boobs. And I'm gonna talk about munchies, but excuse me. I don't know why I closed the book because I can't remember all of that. So, and excuse me if I like start to not make sense because I'm really high and I don't really care. But oh yeah, look, me and Chris, look, collaborated. I drew this, and I did the outside of the bubble, and I did this little quote, and he painted it. It's fucking dope. But where am I supposed to be finding that page? When okay, hold on. Okay, cough drops. Cough drops? Okay, like, to be completely honest, I've always been, like, confused as to why cough drops are even, like, they don't really do anything. I don't think they do. I don't know, like my little sister used to, like, eat cough drops and, like, I don't know. I thought it was weird. Like, they don't really help. I mean, I guess they do, but for, like, an hour. Alright, nail files. Nail files irk me because they're like these little like sandpaper boards, and like those and the metal ones too. The metal ones like just really freak me out. Like, how is that supposed to file your nails? Like, there's nothing really on there to like file your nails with. It's just like, that's like me trying to do this. Right? How dumb do I look, first of all? Second of all, it doesn't work. Empty Coke cans. Well, I don't know, but crackheads, I guess they like get those. And I can't you like recycle them? Like, I used to see like when I would ride the bus, I would see like crackheads like on the bus with like bags, like empty soda cans. Cause like, I don't know, they're like 5 cents each or some shit. I don't know. Sorry. Water bottle lids. I used to like well, I mean, obviously they're like they're for a reason. They're to protect your water, obviously. I mean, what the fuck? I like to chew them though when I'm done with my water bottle. I get like little things. I chew on them. Nintendo DS's. They're cool. I don't like. Aren't they like coming out with some new one that like it shows like hieroglyphics? Not hieroglyphics. what the fuck are those called? Holograms. Holograms. Right? Something like that. I don't know, but they're fucking cool. I used to have one, and like, I would play Metroid all the time and listen to Radiohead. And I got it from some fucking dude in ROTC, and I told him I would pay for it. But by the time I got the money, he had like moved, so I was like, cool, free DS, hell yeah. Boobs. Well, I mean, who doesn't like boobs? I would have to say my favorite pair of boobs belong to Ashley. Yeah. My least favorite boobs would have to be like, okay, like the skinny girl boobs, like when like chicks are like skinny, like this, and they have like little things that look like wait, like that, like no. Alright, and Munchies, hell yeah, Munchies are the shit. Like I am like Munchie master. Fuck yeah. This is what I wanted to talk about. Munchies are good. Munchies are like, that's my favorite part of the night, because like we usually smoke, me and Chris, like we usually smoke like from like the time it is now to like maybe like 12 o'clock. And I'll just like smoke, and I'll get the munchies at like 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock. I go in there and I scavenge pro that hoe. Hell yeah. I go in that refrigerator, I scavenge pro that fucking fridge, and I eat. Hell yeah. I remember this one time I made this like fucking like massive ass taco, and it was like, I had got like the corn tortilla, and like I fried it, and then I put cheese on it, and then I put another layer of the corn tortilla, and it was like fried. And it was like, oh. I was like, I want more, so I put beef on the second layer, and then I put like another layer of like the fucking tortilla, and then like I had like more cheese, and then like I had another one with more meat, and like they're all like layered and separated, and like there was another one with cheese, and then the top one had sour cream, and then like fucking I fried that motherfucker. It was like that, and like I ate it. It was so good. It was so good. Well, I'm gonna end this video because it's like almost like 8 minutes and like 30 seconds. So yeah, say hi, my friends.